Here at Unistage, our innovative multi-level staging systems can be designed in a manner of ways to best suit your needs. From large school photography stages to multi-level drama stages and church choir staging, our multi-level stages are perfect for any location, production, or event. Unlike other staging products, here at Unistage we design our multi-level staging to be completely modular, making it super easy to customize into whatever type of staging you like. This makes our multi-level staging systems ideal for schools, universities, drama clubs, and more. Additionally, our multi-level staging has been designed to be extremely easy to construct and pack away, saving much more space than traditional staging systems. Our multi-level staging can also be designed with additional guard railing for extra safety, and just like the rest of our staging, this is completely modular, with the ability to simply slot the rails in wherever you like on the stage. Another design feature you can implement to our modular multi-level staging is steps leading up to the stage. Again, this helps with access both on and off the stage, especially in comparison to alternative staging systems such as drama blocks. So whatever type of multi-level staging you're looking for, our Unistage modular stages are fully customizable and perfect for your needs. Feel free to get in touch with us today if you're interested in finding out more about our multi-level staging, and our helpful team will get back to you as soon as we can.